Hello everyone, welcome back to your Illuminate Pages. Today we are delving into the timeless investment wisdom of John C. Bogle with his classic The Little Book of Common Sense Investing. Let's uncover the 10 key principles that can help you build wealth and achieve financial success. Point 1, the magic of compounding. Bogle emphasizes the incredible power of compound interest. By investing early and letting your money grow over time, you can turn a small consistent investment into substantial wealth. By understanding and leveraging the magic of compounding, you can turn a small investment into significant wealth. The key is to start early and remain patient, allowing your investment to grow over time. Point 2, the low cost index fund advantage. Bogle advocates for investing in low cost index funds, which often outperform actively managed funds due to their lower fees and broader market exposure. Low cost investment, low cost index funds offer a powerful advantage due to their lower fees, historical performance, diversification, and simplicity. By choosing index fund, you can keep more of your money working for you and enjoy a more relaxed, effective approach to investing. Point 3, the power of simplicity. Keep your investment strategy simple. Focus on broad market strength index funds and avoid complex financial products that can eat in your returns. Nancy Bogle champions the idea that simpler investment strategies are often the most effective. By focusing on low cost index funds, you can eliminate the complexity and stresses of picking individual stocks and timing this market. Point 4, stay the course. Bogle advises sticking to your investment plan during market volatility. Short-term fluctuations should not deter you from your long-term goals. John C. Bogle stresses the most important of sticking to your investment plan. Regardless of market volatility, he advises investors to remain disciplined and not to react impulsively to short-term market fluctuations. 5. Don't try to outguess predicting market movements is nearly impossible. Focus on long-term consistent investing rather than trying to time the market. John C. Bogle emphasizes that attempting to predict market movement in a futile endeavor. Even seasoned investors and financial experts then fail to accurately time the market. 6. Diversification is key. Spread your investment across different asset classes to minimize risk and enhance potential returns. Diversification protects your portfolio from market volatility. Diversification involves spreading your investment across various asset classes such as stocks, bonds, and real estate to minimize risk. 7. Beware of investment cost. High fees can erode your returns over time. Always choose low-cost investment option to maximize your net gains. John C. Bogle emphasizes the importance of minimizing fees and expenses in your investment portfolio. High fees from actively managed funds, trading costs, and other hidden charges can eat into your profits. 8. The importance of asset allocation. Your investment mix should align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Proper asset allocation is a crucial for achieving your desired returns. Asset allocation plays a crucial role in achieving your investment goals. It involves dividing your investment portfolio among different asset classes such as stocks, bonds, and real estate based on your financial objectives, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Lesson 9, long-term perspective wins. Adopting a long-term perspective helps you to stay focused on your goals. Ignoring short-term market noises, patience, and discipline are key to investment success. Bogle advocates for adopting a long-term perspective when it comes to investing. He emphasizes that short-term market fluctuations are often noise, distracting investors from their ultimate financial goals. Point 10, keep your emotions in check. Decisions often lead to a poor investment choices. Stay rational and stick to your strategy even during market downturns. Successful investing requires a patience, resilience, and the ability to tune some noise. Keeping your emotions in check allows you to focus on your investment objectives and make a sound decisions based on a logic rather than sentiment. And there you have it, 10 essential lessons from the Little Book of Common Sense Investing by John C. Bogle. By applying these principles, you can take control of your financial future and build lasting wealth. Thanks for joining us today on your Illuminate pages. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more valuable content. Until next time, happy investing. Signing off, Maheshwari.